is for lamb, jumping high. M is for monkey, swinging in a tree. N is for nest with eggs, 1, 2, 3. O is for orange, on the tree so bright. P is for penguin, sliding left and right. Q is for queen with the shiny crown. R is for rat, nibbling cake down, down. S is for sun, shining all day. T is for tiger, ready to play. U is for unicorn with sparkling mane. V is for violin, playing a sweet refrain. W is for windmill, turning in the breeze. X is for xylophone, played with ease. Y is for yak with balloons so bright. Z is for zebra with stripes black and white.